In this video, I will show you how to fix FaceTime not working in MacBook. First of all, open your system settings. Then go to General. Then check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your device because oftentimes it fixes up any minor issues with the MacBook. Then let's go back to General. Then go to Date and Time. Now make sure that Set Time and Date automatically is on. Then scroll down until you see Screen Time in the left menu bar. Click on it. Then scroll down further, then you will find Content and Privacy. Click on it. Make sure it is turned off. Then from the search bar, let's search for FaceTime. Then let's go to FaceTime written in the top left corner. Go to Settings. Make sure that correct Apple ID is logged into it. Then go to FaceTime section. Here you can see Silence Unknown Caller is ticked. You could uncheck it. Then also try unchecking FaceTime Spam. Close the app and try relaunching it and your FaceTime should start working now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.